Hashtag Israel, share subscriber found. Word of the day, that is R. Second, that is bayad, means house. Sa Bisaya, balay. Bukipo, good morning. Sa Bisaya, maayong bunta. Bukil, Joharayan, good afternoon. Sa Bisaya, maayong hapon. Irego, good evening. Maayong gabi. Tuta, tahay, salamat. Shalom, hello, kumusta? Yupe, krihet, yung ganon. Yapa, beautiful, wapa. Masimsa, what is your name? Kung sa imong pangalan, is me, hi.